How to get free spins on Temu app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get free spin on Temu app. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your Temu app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now here, once you are logged in, you'll get the free spin on a daily basis as well. Here in my case, you can see new user gift here that I'll be able to spin for the gift here. But if you want to get free spins, what you can do is you want to head into your search bar there, and at the search bar you want to search in, simply type in redeem. Once you type in REDEEM, redeem, simply search for it and it'll take you to this option here. Now unfortunately this activity is not available in UK. As you can see, it's not available in the region that is accumulated. My Gmail is set to UK, so it's not showing up. But if you can use VPN and other DNS services, and you can switch your region even if you are on UK, and once you do so, if you type in redeem and if you search for it, you'll be able to get the free spins there. So all you have to do is you'll have to invite a friend and then you'll be able to get free spins. So this is the trick that you can get unlimited free spins on Temu app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.